Today we're going to be talking about the ALLDATA Diagnostics program. This program is compatible with all markets, all OBD2 vehicles. I'll be demonstrating the walkthrough and integration with the ALLDATA platform. Most vehicles will be able to use a quick scan on. The manual scan, where you enter manually your year, make, model, is available and recommended for BMWs. Available for generic codes or dealer or enhanced power codes. You can also scan individual modules. One of the faster scan tools on the market, you'll notice a 30 to 45 second scan on most vehicles, non-European, 2006 and newer European vehicles. It'll take a little bit longer, but still compatible. On this screen, we'll either select enhanced, vehicle-wide, or just your Mode 6 data. One of the things I really like about this tool is it offers scan reports, PDF scan reports that you can download, automatically send to yourself, or send to your customer. You can have a default automatically send, or you could generate the scan report on demand by creating a report. Now here on your landing screen, you're going to see the ALLDATA integration. This is one of the differences that really stands apart this program from other great scan tools on the market. With a simple one click, you're into your freeze frame data when requested, and one more click, you're into the relevant repair article for the vehicle that you're connected to and the code that's pulled. This is not new information, this is just more readily available information, which is going to improve your cycle time. Now, additional information, you'll see sometimes manufacturer predictive data available when available by the manufacturer. Your live data is going to be available on this screen with viewing up to 26 PIDs at a time. You could view those PIDs in metered view, grid view. In grid view, you could set high-low indicators, or graph view, if that's your preference. Record any of your sessions here and view them here. This will be your system test screen. Access your actuators while viewing your PIDs. Now this is an all-inclusive program. All of your software updates are going to be included. Generally speaking, 4 to 5 updates a year over the air. Most of the time those are going to be additions to existing vehicles or new vehicles, but sometimes we're going to put in incremental abilities. Last year we added our quick reset menu. So whether it's TPMS or brake bleed, whatever's available on that year, make, model, will be able to quickly reset in this screen. And that's our diagnostics program.